Here we have a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Sport, 4-door soft top, automatic, one owner, clean Carfax. It's in flame red, sharp looking Jeep here, classic 11-slot grille, round headlamps, integrated fog lights in your bumper. You can see the tow hooks there as well. Continue around to the side here, give you a shot of the tires. Got Goodyear Wrangler tires, about half tread, probably about 6/32. You see scuff-free 5-spoke alloy wheel, nice shiny resurfaced rotor, and a thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that mechanical inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. As we open up the passenger side here, you can see you have two gray cloth covered bucket seats, console that flows in between, dark charcoal carpeting, manual adjustment on your passenger seat. A little bit of brushed aluminum cues there on your assistance handles and on the door panels here as well. You can also see power door locks, something you didn't used to get in Jeeps. People take the doors off, so they didn't have power locks. Now they do. As you can see inside the rear here, 5-passenger SUV, very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room for your rear occupants. You can see clean. Got your slush mats that run across the back and on the front. Help keep some of the dirt and grime out of there. Even though a Jeep thing is to have some mud, try to keep it out of the inside. You can see here, do have wheel lock on that tire. Again, scuff-free 5-spoke alloy wheel. About a little more meat on these actually, probably about 7/8/32 on the back tires here. I also want to show you the frame rail. You can see no rust, no oxidation. Continue around to the back. We got the brand new spare matching. Open up the swing gate here, you can see. Got the amplifier, subwoofer built in. Nice touch. Seats can come out. Matching tire here as well. 5-spoke wheel. Green cap may have nitrogen in those tires. Keeps from pressure fluctuation. Shot from the driver's side rear here, you can see very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. So we show you a manual adjustment here on the driver's side as well. And just gonna jump in and kind of give you a quick tour here of the options. I always like to start with the key fob. You can see integrated keyless entry there into the fob. Again, you have your door locks right there on the door. Power window switches are actually in the center on the Jeep. Let's go ahead and start it up. It only has 17,000 miles, as you can see there. Continue the tour. Headlamp controls are on the left stem here. Pull out for your fog lights. Dimmer switch for your cluster in the center. High beams and turn signals there on the stem as well. Intermittent wiper washers on the right stem. Got your Bluetooth hands-free. Your controls for your customizable dash here. Got your cruise control to the right. Let's go ahead and push this. Turn it down a little bit. AM, FM satellite radio, as you can see there. There's your audio pre-out, USB input. Hit the menu button there, you can see some different options that you have. Back to the radio. Got your media button there. Of course, like I say, here's your window controls. There's your climate controls. Power mirrors down here. Traction control. Downhill descent control. 4-way hazards. 12-volt power supply. 4-wheel drive shifter. Of course, this is your transmission selector. 2 large cup holders. In here, another 12-volt power supply. Auto dim rear view mirror. Just give you a shot of the back here. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Maybe easier said than done. Oh, dummy. It's a Jeep. What's wrong with me? There's no hood pop on a Jeep. All we gotta do is pop these babies off. You can tell I don't own one, though I'd love to have one. There we go. It's got your little secondary head latches there. Up they come. There you see, V6. Very clean. No corrosion on the battery terminals. No exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks. Got your yellow caps and knobs to check and fill all your essential fluids. You're very, very quiet. Let's just go ahead and latch this hood back down. We'll get into the next portion of the video. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the vehicle off. And this next part, I really think, one thing I want to show you, it does have the upgraded Alpine stereo, as you can see. The next part of this video, I really think differentiates us. Not only are we completely upfront and transparent in our pricing, but also in the mechanical condition, as I explained with our check sheet, and the cosmetic condition, which is what I'm going to do now. So just pointing out small little imperfections, like that stone chip, or that stone chip. Any dents or dings, anything else that I could find. You can see it does have heated mirrors there as well. I'll try to point out to you guys, in my first walk around this vehicle, I can tell you it looks super, super clean. Little scratch right there on that door. But no dents or dings on that side at all. Now we do have a little dent, a couple little chips with a little dent right there. Bumper looks good. The rest of that swing gate looks good. Continuing around to the passenger side. Not a lot of metal I have to go over with you guys. The top is nice, obviously. Only 17,000 miles on a 15, but no top issues. Doors are good. Nice, clean Jeep here. Stone chip right there. Otherwise, extremely, extremely clean vehicle. So, guys, it still has the remainder of Chrysler's comprehensive powertrain warranties. It is applied to the next owner, so you can buy this vehicle with confidence. If you're issued, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.